Focus. You want to be the best. You want to worship Allah. You want success in this dunya. You want success in the akhirah. Don't waste your energy about everything else. Focus on Him and Him only.
Islam is the only religion on earth where it is a pillar of faith. We have 5 pillars, right? One of the pillars is that if Allah's given you, you have to give others who don't have what you have. It's a pillar. You're not a Muslim if you think I can enjoy things myself. No ways. Allah says, look for those who don't have what you have and give them. What is it called? The pillar of Islam? Zakat. We all know it. May Allah make us from those who give beyond zakat.